Got your big old clam? Hi, Limpkin. You're teaching baby? You're mama teaching baby, aren't you? Ooh, baby got seafood. Good job, mama. Baby got her clam. The little lily pad's the little table for you, huh? Little plate. That's cute. Now the mama's teaching the baby. Getting snails, water snails, escargot. They put it on the lily pad, use it as a plate, get out the snails, and then when they're all done with it, they get rid of it.